4 AI tools to start a faceless YouTube channel. Your guide to easy, engaging content creation. Starting a YouTube channel is a dream for many, but not everyone wants to show their face on camera. Whether you're shy, prefer anonymity, or simply want to focus on content rather than being the star of the show, starting a faceless YouTube channel is a great option. And with the rise of AI tools, it's easier than ever to create high-quality, engaging content without showing your face. In this article, we'll explore 5 AI tools that can help you start and grow a successful faceless YouTube channel. These tools will help you with everything from generating ideas to creating videos, all without the need to be on camera. 1. Elevenlabs AI-powered voiceovers. Let's start with Elevenlabs, an AI tool that revolutionizes the way you create voiceovers. One of the biggest challenges of running a faceless YouTube channel is finding the right voice. You want a voice that's clear, engaging, and professional. But hiring a voice actor can be expensive, and recording your own voice might not be ideal if you're trying to stay anonymous. That's where Elevenlabs comes in. Elevenlabs is an AI-powered tool that generates realistic, human-like voiceovers based on text input. You simply type out your script, choose a voice, and let Elevenlabs do the rest. The AI technology behind Elevenlabs is designed to mimic the nuances of human speech, so the result sounds natural and engaging. Plus, with a variety of voices to choose from, you can pick one that best fits the tone and style of your content. So, why use Elevenlabs? Elevenlabs is easy to use. You don't need any special equipment or voice acting skills. Just type your script and get a professional-sounding voiceover in minutes. It's customizable. Choose from different voices and adjust the tone, pitch, and speed to match your content. And it's cost-effective. Save money by not having to hire a voice actor or invest in expensive recording equipment. This is how to get started. Sign up for Elevenlabs and explore the different voice options available. Write your script or use AI tools like ChatGPT, which we'll discuss next, to generate it. Enter your script into Elevenlabs, choose a voice, and generate your voiceover. With Elevenlabs, you can create high-quality voiceovers that keep your viewers engaged, all while staying completely anonymous. Look in the description for the link below. Second, ChatGPT. AI-powered content creation. ChatGPT, an AI tool that's a game-changer for content creation. Coming up with video ideas and writing scripts can be time-consuming, especially if you're running a channel on your own. But with ChatGPT, you can generate ideas, outlines, and even full scripts with just a few prompts. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the input you provide. It's like having a personal content assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, write scripts, and even answer questions from your audience. Whether you need help with a single video or an entire content plan, ChatGPT has you covered. Why use ChatGPT? Fast idea generation. Get instant ideas for new videos based on trending topics or your niche. Script writing. Generate complete scripts that are easy to understand and engaging, just like the one you're reading now. It's versatile. Use it for writing video descriptions, creating thumbnails, text, or even generating video titles. With ChatGPT, you'll never run out of content ideas, and writing scripts becomes a breeze. This tool is perfect for maintaining a consistent posting schedule without burning out. Next up is Pictory, AI video creation. Creating videos without showing your face might seem challenging, but with Pictory, it's easier than you think. Pictory is an AI tool that turns text into engaging videos, making it perfect for faceless YouTube channels. Whether you're creating explainer videos, tutorials, or listicles, Pictory can help you produce high-quality content that captures your audience's attention. Pictory is an AI-powered video creation tool that transforms written content into visually appealing videos. You simply provide the text, like the script you generated with ChatGPT, and Pictory does the rest. The tool automatically selects relevant images, video clips, and animations to match your text, creating a polished video that's ready to upload. Pictory handles the video creation process, so you don't need to worry about learning complex editing software. It creates videos in minutes, not hours, by letting Pictory do the heavy lifting. Sign up for Pictory and explore the video creation options. Pictory makes video creation accessible to everyone, even if you have no experience with video production. It's the perfect tool for faceless YouTube channels looking to create professional quality content quickly. And finally, Canva, AI design for thumbnails and more. Even though you're running a faceless YouTube channel, you still need eye-catching visuals to draw in viewers. Thumbnails are especially important for getting clicks, and Canva is the perfect tool for creating them. Canva's AI-powered design tools make it easy to create professional-looking graphics, even if you're not a designer. What is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly design platform that offers a wide range of templates and tools for creating graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more. Its AI features include design suggestions, image enhancements, and automatic resizing, making it a powerful tool for YouTube creators. So, why use Canva? It has a drag-and-drop interface. Canva's easy-to-use interface makes design accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. It also has AI design suggestions. Canva's AI suggests design elements that enhance your graphics, saving you time and effort, and versatile templates. Choose from thousands of templates for thumbnails, banners, and social media posts. To get started, sign up for Canva and explore the design templates available. Select a template for your YouTube thumbnail or other graphic needs. Customize the template by adding your text, images, and branding elements. Download your design and upload it to your YouTube channel. With Canva, you can create visually appealing thumbnails that attract viewers to your videos, helping your channel grow faster. Starting a faceless YouTube channel has never been easier thanks to these AI tools. Whether you're creating voiceovers with Elevenlabs, generating scripts with ChatGPT, making videos with Pictory, or designing thumbnails with Canva, these tools provide everything you need to create high-quality, engaging content without ever showing your face. By leveraging the power of AI, you can focus on what matters most, creating content that resonates with your audience and helps you grow your channel. So, what are you waiting for? Start using these tools today and watch your faceless YouTube channel thrive. Check the description for the links below to these tools, and subscribe and comment down below if this information helped you.